we got ourselves some Jurassic Park Dominion Pops. We got dinosaurs. I'll say it again. We got dinosaur pops. See you in a second. Alright, how is everyone? We got ourselves a Funko Shop exclusive blue. We got ourselves other random ones. Let's see what we got. So they've been packaging everything up in these weird 3 packs or 2 packs. Nice, nice. Look at that. Look at that! I'm super excited for this movie. Let me know in the comments down below. Are you excited? I don't think it's the final Jurassic Park, but it's definitely going to be one of the final ones for the new movie. This one right here is the common Velociraptor Ghost. There's a bunch of different versions of this, and this is the only one I have gotten so far. So we're going to be taking all of these out of box. Right here we got the, see if I can pronounce this right, Giganotosaurus? I don't fucking know. Oh gosh. So we got those 2. And then we got this 3-pack over here. And let's take this, take a look. So right here we got blue with beta. This one right here is Velociraptor. Chopping those names up. We're in Dr. Ellie Shaller. Don't have her yet. I don't have her. They've only made her, to my knowledge, in a pop ride, which I almost bought several times. I didn't buy it. Oh, food is done. Maybe. Hold on one second. Let's see if we can... Alright, I'm back. What I noticed in my videos, I say alright a lot. Now let's overlook some of these boxes. And then we'll get them out of box. Take a closer look at them. Oh wait, we missed one. I got distracted. I already see some box damage right there. Funko. It's a common though, so I can't complain too much. This is a new sorter they gave us. It opens from the top, and it is closed on the bottom. So let's see. Oh, so right there is what it is. I only ordered one of these, hoping it was going to be in good condition. Funko Shop stuff. If you're an inbox collector, you usually want to probably buy 2 of them because they kind of suck. They can replace the boxes sometimes, but not always. This is actually really cool. This looks really evil. I like this. So right here is the box for the Funko Shop exclusive. I like how these boxes are, long ways. So I have blue with beta, number 1212 or 1220 for the exclusive. Pretty cool. Right here. Right here is the box. We'll be taking a closer look at these in just a second. I am definitely going to be looking at the 2 of them. I'm curious what they are. What's the big difference between these Velociraptors are? And then this cool one over here. Alright. See you in a second. And we'll have to take a closer look at all of this. So let me get rearranged here. Well, let's look at this one first. So this is the box right here. It's kind of weird how they're having it face backwards. There's quite a few in this line already. Let's see, 4, 8, 11 pops. And that one right there in the middle, that's a 10-inch pop, which I actually might pick up if I see it in person for a decent price. Alright, we'll look at the boxes first and then we'll take them out of the box. Here's this one right here. This box is definitely screwed up. We got some paint right there. Got that. Yeah, I don't know. Here's the bottom. These are just common, so these guys are not going to be anything special. I kind of wish that one was also a long ways, but he's back and forth. And then here's the baby beta in this one. I'm a little curious to see if any of these are going to go up in value like the previous movies have. I'm going to be on the hunt to get all the dinosaurs from Jurassic World. Right here is the Funko shop. A little tiny cool sticker. I like how they did that. I don't think this one will ever be a grail. I think if they would have had the beta baby and that one together, then it could be a grail, but I doubt it. This one right here, I'm looking pretty forward to taking out of a box. It's got yellow eyes. Looks pretty crazy. Yeah, this is going to be a cool one to check out. And then we got the human, just the person. Probably will not take her out of box. So right here is going to be our closest look we're going to see. Yeah, I mean, you can just, there's no reason to take this out of box, everyone. She most likely will be on the shelf as a common. Nothing will probably happen. Stay tuned though, because we do have 2 of these right here to open up. So we have lots of potential. The weight of it and the shape of it makes me feel like it might be a common 1 in 6 dinosaur there, but I don't know. Let's get these out of box and we'll see what we see. Alright, so right here is the first one, the Velociraptor, or the, excuse me, yeah, let's call them a Velociraptor. Weird. So they all appear to have this plastic thick base on them. I don't remember the other ones having these on there. Looks like he's got some paint screw up on his eye there. But it's definitely cool, got some cool coloring. It fits in the palm of my hand. All these are actually pretty large. Alright, let's look at the next one. Alright, here we go, you guys. Look at this one. This is a weird one. It's got a lot of pink back here. You don't see that in the box. In the box, you just kind of see this. You don't see this at all. It's got weird, funky hands. And once again, with the plastic base, it looks like everything is written on the bottom of this plastic base over right on the bottom of the pop. You think they would put it right here or something, but nope. They put it directly on the bottom of the stand. They stand very, very well, though. They stand pathetically well. This guy right here is going to be the big one. I will not pick up the big one of this unless it's like 20 bucks. But yeah, this thing is just kind of silly. I don't have any of the big Jurassic Park pops, 10-inch ones. I never picked any of them up. Alright, then we're going to have the common blue with beta. I like the coloring of this. It's pretty cool how they have the coloring on this face. I do have the old blue. I'm going to be doing a collection video of all my Jurassic Park pops. It'll be coming out in the near future. Maybe next month. And then we got the Funko Shop exclusive, which is why everyone is here. Look at this. This is cool. It's got the classic, like, ooh, I'm going to grab you kind of look. It's going, little claws are up, tail's up, but it's going to pounce. So, I mean, if you want cool plastic bases on your pops, if you take them out of the box, it's definitely meant for you. If you don't like these bases, leave them in the box because you can't see these bases in the box. So, I didn't realize that these things were really on here until I took them out of the box. But, yep, there we go. Stay tuned for future videos just like this.